So in this video, we'll be comparing the IIIF150 Air2 Ultra with the IIIF150 Air1 Ultra, just to point out the differences and similarities between both rugged phones. Without further ado, let's compare the specs of both devices. Perfect. So there we go, guys. Which of the two devices do you think is best in your opinion? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.